Prepare the surface drive, gearbox, engine, and required tools before installation. Take out the perforated plate equipped with the surface drive system. Different models have different perforated plates. Draw lines and holes on the bottom of the bottle on the perforated plate. According to the round perforated plate, cut, open and grind at the stern. Let the stern cut. The opening will be more flat. Apply sealant on cutting, punching and screws. Waterproof, seawaterproof, anti-corrosion at the sealing. Move the surface drive system to the stern, align it with the polish hole. And then use the screws to fix the surface drive system and the stern together. Mounting the blades for the surface drive system. Use screws to connect the engine to the gearbox, and the drive shaft to connect the gearbox to the surface drive system. If the number of connection holes of the gearbox and the surface drive system is wrong, use the adapter plate to connect and tighten with screws. A complete set of engine, gearbox, surface drive system is installed.